Discover the ultimate in luxury living, Waterfront Condo here in Tierra Verde, Florida. Now, my name is Javier, your favorite Tampa Bay agent, and today I'm thrilled to introduce you a truly exceptional property, 522 Pinellas Bayway South, Unit 209 in picturesque Tierra Verde, Florida. Now imagine embracing the quintessential Floridian lifestyle in this magnificent waterfront condo at the esteemed moorings of Tierra Verde. This opulent sanctuary boasts 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, private parking, and your very own boat slip, which is a true testament to the lavish experience that's going to await you inside. If you like any of the information that you get out of this video, go ahead and click on the description box, and right there you'll find all my contact information. I can be reached via text, email, or phone call, and what we can do is schedule an appointment where you and I can sit down and have our own consultation, and I can make sure that we find a property that's right for you. Also, don't forget to click on the bell, subscribe, so this way when I do a new video and upload it, you'll get notified right away. Stay till the end of this video as well, because there's a lot of stuff and information that I want to tell you about this beautiful condo. Picture yourself pulling into your exclusive boat slip, and as you settle in, you'll be captivated by the coastal vistas that surround you. Your retreat comes complete with a waterfront weight room featuring state-of-the-art equipment, perfectly positioned near the pool. The waterfront pool deck is an idyllic oasis with high-end shellstone pavers, the ideal spot for leisurely days basking in the sun, all while enjoying the sight of passing boats and playful dolphins. Inside, the designer chef's kitchen is a culinary haven, adorned with bespoke cabinets, lavish granite countertops, and concealed a sub-zero refrigerator and freezer drawers. This kitchen is the embodiment of culinary excellence. The discreet Fisher and Paykel double dishwasher and stainless decor double oven elevates your cooking experience. The bi-level island isn't just functional, it's an invitation to entertainment and casual dining, even featuring an integrated TV to ensure you never miss your favorite show. Every inch of this condo exudes opulence and attention to detail. Polished 18-inch travertine flooring flows seamlessly throughout, exuding grandeur. The walls are adorned with breathtaking fox painting, showcasing the work of a true artisan. Elegance and sophistication take center stage with tray ceilings, accented by insert strip lighting in the kitchen, dining room, and the bedrooms. A built-in wet bar adjacent to the kitchen features an ice maker, mini fridge, and wine rack, a testament to refined entertainment. The first level hosts a bedroom and a bathroom, while the upper level reveals 2 more bedrooms, including a master suite. Luxurious travertine tiled walls and floors grace the bathroom entirely, and the living room sets the stage for entertainment with its built-in surround sound system. The real wood burning fireplace completes this with a stone mantle trim and creates a very warm ambiance. The master bedroom opens to an outdoor patio with Trex decking, offering tranquil water and swimming pool views, accompanied by your own private boat slip. This remarkable retreat comes with a 10,000-pound boat lift capable of accommodating up to a 38-foot boat, inviting you to endless maritime adventures. The master bathroom is a masterpiece featuring a glass-enclosed shower, standalone bathtub, and a custom-built vanity with granite countertops. The indulgence continues with a remarkable walk-in closet accompanied by a TV for ultimate relaxation. Additional highlights in this condo include generous 9 by 23-foot storage unit with shelves and a refrigerator, making organization effortless. To further elevate your experience, all the furniture and accessories are included, ensuring a seamless transition into a life of utmost luxury. Explore the extraordinary blend of opulence and comfort that awaits you within this exquisite waterfront condo, and a step into the epitome of luxury living today.